Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sell clothes on Vinted step by step. I'll be walking through this on the mobile app. First, download the Vinted app from the App Store or Google Play, then open it up. At the top right, tap Sign Up. You can sign up through Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. Pick whichever works for you. If you go with email, enter your email address, create a username, and set a password. Once that's done, you'll get a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Click that link to verify your account. Now let's complete your profile. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. Upload a profile picture and write a short bio. Fill in any missing details like your name and address. If you're in the US, you'll also need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID and sometimes a selfie for identity verification. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours to process. While you're in Settings, scroll down to the Payment section. Link a payment method, that's your credit or debit card, and add your bank account details so you can receive payouts when items sell. Alright, time to create your first listing. Tap the Sell button. The first thing you'll see is the photo upload screen. Upload up to 20 photos using natural lighting. Take shots from different angles showing the front, back, and sides. Include close-ups of labels, logos, and any flaws. Aim for 5 to 10 images. Once your photos are uploaded, tap Next. Now write a descriptive title including the brand, size, and color. In the description field, be honest about the condition, mention any defects, how many times you've worn it, and add a bit of personality if you want. Below that, choose your category. Work through the subcategories until you find the one that accurately describes your item. Next, fill out the item attributes. Select the brand from the drop-down. If it's not listed, choose No Brand at the bottom. Then pick the size, condition, colors, and materials. You can select up to 3 materials. If there are more, just write them in the description. Fill out all these fields even if they're optional, because buyers search by these filters. Now set your price. Vinted will show you what similar items have sold for. Set your price about 10 to 15% higher than your minimum acceptable price. That gives you room for negotiation. Below that, set your parcel size by entering the approximate weight and dimensions. Finally, tap Upload at the bottom. Your listing will go through an automated check. This normally takes up to a minute, though occasionally it can take a few days. Once approved, your item goes live in your wardrobe and buyers can see it. A couple of quick tips. You can use Vinted's free daily bump feature to push your listing to the top of search results. Also, when you get offers, make sure to respond. If an item sells, you've got 5 days to ship it or the sale automatically cancels. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.